Last night was the best, and I'm here at the Quezon City, the city of Belmonte. Actually, I'm here at Santo Domingo Church, one of the patron church of Quezon City. Since hindi ko na naabutan yung last mass, so nagtirik na ng kandila. Ayan, napaso pa ang gaga, nagnanakaw ng kandila. Since nasa labas naman ng establishmento ang mga kandila at walang kaabog-abog na ito ay kinuha, so hindi ito pagnanakaw. Char. Finally, she's here, my beshiwap. Ayan, after many talks, discussion, etc., finally, we will try this Cafe Ingo in Quezon City at Santo Domingo. The ambience is so nice, so fresh, it's so lovely. Surroundings pa lang, oh my goodness, para ka talagang nasa Spain. And we try here the 1547 menu according to the book. So while we're waiting with our first order, so here now, the appetizer, the Catherine nachos. And then, sing with the prof, ayan, napakasarap niyan guys, as in, antindi. Okay? And then I have noticed here something, the Padre Damaso and Padre Salvi figurines, look at those things. And look at the ambience, the place, the picture, the painting, all over surrounding, that's so nice. So, ayan na, yung masarap na server. I mean, yung aming in-order. So, look at this one. The chicken a la pobre from España, Manila. Look at the place. The table set up. Look at those utensils. It's so nice. Ang lakas nitong maka-Espanya. And look at me. And look at her. So, kami lang natitira at bala ko nang galawin yung server. I mean, yung aking camera for the selfie. It's so nice. So, that's it. Enjoy!